So excited to be sharing my brand new book, Real Life Recipes, with you. There's low shop recipes like this one. Super quick, super easy, delicious, a great way of cooking pasta, and it's called fridge raid soup. And basically, it's going to the fridge, seeing what's there and making it into a soup. First thing you do is heat up the one pan that you're gonna use. Just one pan, that's all you need. This one is in the shape of a tomato, but it doesn't have to be like that. You can have any saucepan you like. Take the chorizo and slice them up. But quite importantly, that kind of cured flavor that goes really nicely. It gives a balance and a base and a wonderful layer of flavor to this fridge raid soup. So the smell of that chorizo is fantastic. It's got lovely caramelization on it, look here. And then at this point, I'm gonna add the one onion that's been chopped up. Sweat that down just a little. Celery goes in, carrots go in. Give a little pinch of salt and stir it around and just leave it to cook for 3 or 4 minutes. And at this point, I'm going to put in 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, give that a bit of a stir. And then here, I have got 1 litre chicken stock that I've just brought up to the boil. Stir it all together. You can see it's already nice and hot. I'm going to bring that up to the boil. I'm just going to put in some thyme. Give that another stir through. You can see it's just about to come to the boil. So at this point, I'm going to add my pasta. I'm going to drop that in. We're going to cook the pasta until it's done, but that will be around about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, last 2 ingredients to go in, raided from the fridge. Some of this black cabbage. I'm just slicing it up. And this pasta, almost cooked. So at this point, I'm going to put in the frozen peas. And then the last thing to go in is the cabbage. Will just soften and break down in that soup. All of a sudden, you've got this very thick, rich, hearty, full-flavoured, beautiful soup using up ingredients from the fridge. Grab yourself a ladle, get yourself a lovely, flavour-packed bowl of soup. Finally, get yourself a bit of Parmesan and grate it all over the top. And that is a beautiful bowl of flavour, fridge raid soup, from my new book, Real Life Recipes.